Hi, and welcome to In the Can. Today I'm going to make a potato root vegetable soup. I've got my crock pot here, and I buy the liners for it. Makes cleanup so much easier. Here I have about 2 cups of leftover Christmas ham. I'm going to put that in there. Here I have roughly 3 pounds of potatoes peeled and chopped. About 3 cups of sweet potatoes. About 3 cups of rutabaga. Ooh, this is going to be overflowing. About 2 cups of turnip, about 5 large carrots sliced up, piece of ham, and here I have 1 onion and a little bit of celery. Just a stalk or 2. In this bowl I have 1 can of evaporated milk. I'm going to add to that 2 tablespoons of flour, mix that in, pour it. Oops, over the top. Then I'm going to add some seasoning, about a teaspoon of black pepper, about a tablespoon of crushed red peppers, about 2 tablespoons of parsley, and a tablespoon of Italian seasoning, maybe a little more. I have a pint of half and half. If you don't have half and half, use a mixture of heavy cream and milk. Now I'm going to add water. Okay, I can see the water along the sides, so that's good. I brought the water up to about here on the pot, and I'm going to cover this. Turn it on high and let this cook for 4 hours. And I'll be back when it's ready. Hi, and I'm back for a minute. My soup has basically cooked, but I added so many root vegetables that I forgot that I had 8 ounces of mushrooms that I wanted to add. So I pulled out some of the finished soup, and I'm going to add the mushrooms now and let those cook for an hour or maybe 2. I'll have to check and see. And then I'll be back when it's finished. So, be right back. Okay, my soup is done. And I've made such a big batch of it, it looks like I'm going to need 2 bowls to store it in. Myself a bit. Ooh, hot. Hot, 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 hot. And it tastes quite good. Get this camera. Bring it over here and ooh, that is so bright. Yeah, that's about the best I can do for now. And hopefully you'll give this a try. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.